with agents. Last time, actually, yesterday, we defined what AI talks about, and if you remember, we mentioned that we want to build artificial agents that will behave intelligently in the environment. Today, we'll take a look at agents in their environment. We'll see why we need to know anything about the environment, possible tasks. Then we'll see how we can represent agents and the environment. And we can we can see how we can classify tasks and can see some examples of agents acting in the environment. Okay, let's see some definitions of an agent. There are many, but we try to find some interesting definitions that we can remember what an agent should be. Okay, agent as an actor. Actor means that agent will act autonomously in the world to achieve a goal or to achieve goals. Yes? Usually when we talk about this agent, we think immediately or visualize immediately a robot or maybe some device that can move around. Then should be rational, may have beliefs, desires, and intentions. We'll talk about this internal state of, or rational, what does it mean, rational agent, but in general means that the agent should have some beliefs, definitely some desires, what is the best way to solve the goal, and some intentions how to approach the task. Agent can be also defined as a helper or representative. Yes, this is another definition. Perform some task on behalf of another agent. Let's say we have agent butler or robot butler, or maybe just internet butler, which can help us to find, let's say, or organize a trip and organize accommodation for us. Yes? Which means that we can tell to the agent what we want to do, and he will go around, do it, and report to us the results. Then collaborates with some user or on a complex task. Usually when we have some complicated tasks, we can use some agents to help us, and may or may not be an agent actor, which means it can be, agent actor means it can act, or maybe can be just some program which can run around and collect information for us. It doesn't need to be physical agent, okay? Because actor means that he can act in the world. But programs, when they search, like say, crawlers, when they try to find information, they don't need to, they're just in the computers, and they don't need to have physical body embodiment. Yep, which means that it doesn't need to be an actor. But anyway, what type of agents else you can imagine of or think of? What kind of agents we can have? Except of these. Do you agree with those two definitions? Make sense? Can we have agent as a catalyst? Cause a chemical reaction. They're also called agents. You have heard about catalyst, yes? You have an agent which helps some chemical reaction to happen faster or better or something like this. But for us, we are not interested in the last one. Like in general, the textbook combined the first two times, then AI is about the agents, not about the third definition, okay? Which means that usually we can think of building an intelligent agent that can be an actor or can be a helper or representative. Okay? Good. Now, agent intuitive definition means what? Yesterday we talked about that. That an agent is an entity that perceives the environment through sensors and acts on its environment through effectors. This is something which we should remember. An agent must have sensors to detect the environment. If not, it cannot behave properly, okay? And should have also some actuators to act in the environment, do some task. Let's say, example, human agent. What are the sensors, what are the actuators? Human agent, you, yes?
Our sensors are like our eyes, our nose, our skin.
Ears, okay. What about the actuators? Hands? legs, whatever, okay? Which means that sensors are eyes, ears, touch, effectors are hands, legs, and so forth. Now, what about a delivery robot? It's a robot that can go around and deliver, let's say, mails, or can deliver coffee or something like this. You have seen such robots. What will be the, or what kind of sensors this robot can have, and what kind of effectors can have? Robot, yep. Can you repeat louder, please?
Proximity sensor.
Yeah, proximity sensor, okay. Something else? Sensors, other vision, maybe? Hopefully camera, yeah, okay. What about the effectors? Yeah.
Wheels.
Okay, we can move on wheels. Okay, we can also walk. You have two-legged robots. And anything else? Robot hand to deliver. Okay, I mean, there are many possibilities. Let's say sensors, ultrasonic, infrared range finder, video input, whatever. You can imagine many different sensors which can perceive the environment and provide information to the robot. And effectors can be hands, legs, and so forth. Maybe I have missed up here. Anyway, can be wheels or can be grippers.